I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel Rosie Home. So today I am going to share with you how I meal plan and food shop to lose weight. So this is me at the beginning of the week. I've already planned what meals I'm going to have. I've done my food shop and the food has now arrived, and this is all with healthy weight loss in mind. You will see some treat items in my food shop, some Jaffa cakes in the background there. They are for the girls. Are you trying to lose weight at the moment? I have lots of healthy meal inspiration, lunch ideas, breakfast ideas, mini recipes over on my Instagram account, so do go and check that out. I will leave the handle on the screen. So let's get stuck into this video. The first thing I do when I am meal planning for the week is go and have a look in my fridge and see what leftovers I have in the fridge from last week. I look to see if there's anything that needs using up. I have a look in my veg drawers, see what veg I have left, what needs using up, whether I need any more of anything. If I have any veg that I need to use, like those mushrooms, I'll plan a meal or a lunch with the mushrooms in. Same with the beetroot that I have in there as well. That was from last week, but it didn't end up getting used, so I'm going to try and use that this week. I have a flick through one of my cookery books to see if there are any healthy recipes that I fancy. I find planning low-calorie healthy meals the hardest because you're nearly always craving something when you're trying to be good and when you're trying to diet. So to help keep me satisfied, I try and choose a variety of different recipes and I try and try new things. I quite like the look of this green eggs and ham recipe. I haven't tried this before and I have some eggs that need using up, so this could work well. Another thing I do if I need some recipe inspiration is to have a look online, and I will Google the ingredients that I have in the fridge. So today I am Googling healthy egg breakfast recipes, and then I will see what comes up on Google. I'll have a look at the Google images to see if there's anything that takes my fancy, and if there is, I'll write that down on my meal plan. When I am trying to eat healthy, I like to plan all my meals, so I plan breakfast, lunch and dinner, because if I've written it down, I know that's what I'm going to have for lunch, and it stops me having anything a little bit naughty, or it stops me having any snacks because I know I've got a tasty lunch coming my way soon. Once I've decided on my breakfast, lunch and dinner every day for the week, I will then write it up on the board. First of all, I write my meal plan out on a piece of paper, and then when I'm happy with it, I've moved things around, I write my final copy up on the board. If you are a long-time subscriber, you will know that I normally just write my dinners on a menu planner in our kitchen, but when I'm doing my breakfast, lunch and dinner, there isn't enough room, so I am putting my meal plan up on the chalkboard in our kitchen. I find that by having it up and out for everyone to see, it really helps me stick to my meal plan. Once it's on the board, it's happening and there is no going back. All of the recipes I have chosen are around 400 calories per meal. Some are less than that at around 300, whereas some are just over 400. Each day is based on a total calorie intake of 1,400 calories, which based on my weight and height is the amount of calories I need to eat to lose weight. So that is 400 calories for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then there's an extra 200 calories to play with if you want a snack or a cup of coffee. To give you a rough guide, a piece of fruit is normally around 100 calories. This is a weight loss plan for women to lose weight. Men or children will need to eat more to lose weight in a healthy way. If you want to know the exact recipes for the meals I have put on my meal plan, then head over to my Instagram. I am sharing all my meals as I cook them. I'm saving the breakfast meals in my breakfast ideals highlight on my Instagram profile, so do go and have a look. There are lots of recipes. I have listed how I've made each meal, so they are really easy for you to follow. Once I have completed my meal plan, I then write a list of the ingredients I need for each meal. I do try and choose meals for the week that use similar ingredients, so if I'm buying goat's cheese, I make sure I have a few goat's cheese recipes throughout the week to use it up. I find this really helps keep costs down, and it means I'm not buying lots of different ingredients on my food shop. Here is a close-up of my meal plan, and I will leave this in the description bar in case you want to copy and paste it. So the next thing I do is add the ingredients for all the meals I'm making to my shopping list. I do this on my phone because I find it the best way. I then go and delete any items I already have in my cupboards, and I find if I do it on a pen and paper it just gets very messy, whereas on my phone I can just remove items that I don't actually need. This stops me overbuying and keeps my food shop costs down. I then go and have a look through my fridge and through my cupboards. I check how many of each ingredient I have and whether I need any more for the recipes I plan on making. I then go back to my list and just delete any items that I already have. So we have plenty of garlic, so I'm going to take that off my list. There are not normally many amendments to do here because I already have a rough idea what's in my cupboard, but I do like to do this second check to make sure that I am not overbuying. Once I am happy with my final shopping list, I can then do my online shop. I prefer to shop online because I am a spender, and if I go to the supermarket I will come back with lots of items I don't actually need. So if I sit at my computer and I just order the shopping items from my list, it helps me stay on track and only order the items I need so that I don't overspend and I keep within my food budget. Once I have ordered all the items on my shopping list, I choose a delivery slot and then wait for my shopping to be delivered. I can normally always get a delivery slot for the next day. And here it is, it's tomorrow and the kind delivery driver has dropped off all my shopping at my door. So I just bring in these boxes, unload my produce. I always like to check this off against the paperwork that the delivery driver brings just to make sure that I've got all the items that I ordered and they haven't forgotten anything. And here is this week's grocery haul. This is all the food I ordered to make all of my meals for this week. So that is all the meals on the meal plan, and that is breakfast, lunch and dinner for us all. There are some extra items like Barney Bear cakes for the girls and toilet roll and washing powder tablets, which were just normal everyday items that I needed to replenish. You will probably notice that there is no meat in this food haul. That is because I have quite a lot of meat and fish in the freezer already. I have a bag of cooked chicken that I froze from our roast chicken last week. I have some frozen cod fillets, and I also have our steak in the freezer. So that's it. All I have left to do now is to put the food shop away. I hope you've liked this video and you've enjoyed finding out how I meal plan to lose weight and save money. Do subscribe to my channel, and please do let me know if you'd like more recipe videos or weight loss videos, and I will do my best. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do let me know in the comments down below if you have enjoyed it. Are you trying to lose weight at the moment? I have lots of healthy meal inspiration, lunch ideas, breakfast ideas, mini recipes over on my Instagram account, so do go and check that out. I will leave the handle on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!